There is a little pig. The pig wants to be a baseball player every day. He practiced baseball. He practiced hitting a baseball. He wants to be a big hitter. Big hitter, this means strong hitter. After 10 years of practice, the pig decided to try out for the New York Yankees, the most famous baseball team in America. Try out for this means you try to do something. He takes a direct flight to New York, then rents a car and drives to Yankee Stadium. Direct flight. This means immediate flight. He tries out for the Yankees, but the Yankees reject him. Reject, this means not agree or not believe. For example, I don't believe you. I reject you. The Yankees manager says, I'm sorry, you are an amazing baseball player, but we can't let a pig out of our team. The pig is very unhappy. He goes home and cries every day. Finally, his friend says to him, come on, and I get a grip. Stop crying and try again with another team. Come on and get a grip. Get a grip, this means control your emotion or control yourself. The pig listened to his friend. He stops crying. He practiced baseball every day. One day, he is reading the newspaper and he finds out that the San Francisco Yankees new baseball players. Finds out, this means to learn or detection. He tries out for the Giants. The Giants are very impressed with the pig. Impressed with, this means enter with or sit down with. The manager says, wow, you are the best hitter I have ever seen. The Giants hire the pig and pay him $2. In his first game, the pig hit 5 home runs. Home runs is a hit in baseball allowing the batter to kick the base and score a run. Everyone in San Francisco loves the pig. The Giants give him a big raise. Raise means pull up or maximize. They pay him $540 million. The pig is rich, famous, and happy.